Megastar Amitabh Bachchan has hit back at those criticizing Bollywood celebrities for not doing their bit amid COVID-19 crisis in the country and shared a list of contributions he has made amid the pandemic. On Monday, Big B took to his blog to share a detailed note and listed the donations he had made so far. He also addressed the hateful comments and everyday abuse he has been subjected to online and said that he does charity but doesn't believe it in talking about it. "Yes, I do charity, but have ever believed it to be done, then spoken of. It is embarrassing, in too great a self-consciousness, of one that has ever felt shy of public presence despite the profession, one that has to find its USP in public domains is relevant today for me," he wrote. "The pressure though, the everyday abuse and the filth of distasteful comment has never been of attention to me or to the family. We have seen it from time immemorial, happens, some are ridden with the wisdom that it shall happen, so all the efforts continued in the quiet, no divulge to the information agencies, no talk of it either, only the receiver knew and that was the end," the veteran actor added. He then shared a list of all the charitable efforts, without disclosing the exact amount. Over 1,500 farmers' bank loans paid off by my personal fund and prevented them from suicide, as the suicides grew. From Andhra Maharashtra, a Patel, calling them over after identifying with respective banks and getting them all to Janak and in the presence of the bank representatives, paying them in person and getting them to strike off the loan, giving each farmer the document that they did not owe anymore, that their loan was over and completed and paid back to the bank. Some 300 odd from up could not all be present. A bogie in the train booked for a limited number of 30 to 50 of them, from their respective cities in up, received in Mumbai, brought over to Janak, fed and given the loan cancellation certificate and put back on the train to their homes, all at my expense. He further added the brave soldiers at the border of the country who had been martyred, their lists sought and their families, young wives and their children, some wives pregnant and expectant, given succor. The martyrs at Pulwama after the terrible terrorist attack, their families spread all over the land contacted and brought to Janak and given succor, at the hands of Abhishek and Shweta. Elaborating on the COVID relief work he and his family did, Bachchan said those that suffered during the COVID last year, providing food for over 4 lakh daily wage earners in the country for a month, feeding almost 5,000 in the city each day lunch and dinner, provided masks, PPE units to frontline warriors, police hospitals in the thousands, through personal funds, donating to the Sikh committee that was helping the migrants to travel back home in the interstate buses, where the drivers were mostly Sikhs. Booked an entire train from Mumbai to up to carry 2,800 migrant passengers free of cost at my expense. And when the destination state blocked the train from coming into their state and cancelled the train, immediately chartered 3 Indigo airline planes and flew almost 180 migrants in each flight to Up and Bihar and some to Rajasthan and J&K.